I tried Fidelity Crypto app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Fidelity Crypto app, I expected a simple way to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Fidelity isn't trying to compete with flashy trading platforms. It's quietly building one of the safest and most regulated ways for everyday investors to enter crypto. On day 1, I set up my account. It took less than 5 minutes, and everything felt incredibly secure. Two-factor authentication, verification, and clear disclosures. Fidelity's focus on compliance is obvious from the start. Most people skip these details, but that's exactly what makes it trustworthy. By day 2, I explored the app's trading features. You can buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum directly, with no hidden spreads or confusing fees. The interface looks clean, just like Fidelity's stock trading app. It's simple enough for beginners, yet transparent enough for serious investors. Midweek, I tested the transfer options. You can't yet withdraw crypto to an external wallet, and that surprised me. Fidelity holds the assets in institutional-grade custody for safety, a choice that prioritizes security over flexibility. Some people might see that as a downside, but it's designed for those who want peace of mind, not constant trading. By day 5, I noticed how deeply integrated the app is with the rest of Fidelity's ecosystem. You can track your crypto right alongside your stocks, ETFs, and retirement funds. That's something very few crypto platforms can offer. By the end of 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Fidelity's crypto app isn't for adrenaline-chasing traders. It's built for long-term investors who want exposure to crypto in a secure, regulated, and professional environment. If you've been hesitant to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum because of all the risky exchanges out there, this app might be the bridge you've been waiting for. It's proof that crypto and traditional finance are finally starting to meet in the middle.